Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Essential oil has many benefits to improve our health. For example, lavender essential oil to help calm and improve our sleeping quality. Rosemary oil can improve the brain function and keep up the memory. So the most efficient way to use the essential oil is the inhalation. By inhaling the oil, the molecules can go quickly into our circulation and make it bioavailable. And today, in this video, I will introduce you the two ways to inhale essential oil. The first one is called indirect inhalation. The second one is direct inhalation. Diffuser is a way called indirect inhalation. Add a few drops of the essential oil in the water within the chamber of the diffuser. Diffuser can spread the water with the oil into the room and then to go as far as it can based on the ventilation and the power of the diffuser. So you sit in the room to inhale the air contains a small amount of essential oil. And this is called indirect because not only you but also other people sitting around you can smell the essential oil. And I love a way to use a hydrosol. So just pour the hydrosol into the chamber of the diffuser and turn it on. The best part of it is you can make hydrosol from whatever the plants you like. Just in case you don't have the oil of that plant, you can make the hydrosol by yourself. This is a way to use if everybody loves the essential oil, love this, especially the specific essential oil, because some people may got irritation or even allergy from the oil you like, you can use all the time. It's so you before turn on the diffuser, make sure everybody in the room they can accommodate or they like it. The second group is direct inhalation. It's more like a personal essential oil kit. I will introduce you 3 easy ways to make this kit by using the material you have. So the first way is by using a bandage. Add 1 or 2 drops of the essential oil on the pad of the bandage. When you stick it, twist it and have the pad facing outside and then fix there. It's like this. So this way, so you can just smell it, and sometimes you just wave it and push the air or nose and to help improve the inhalation. And the second way is similar. You use a cotton ball or cotton round and add 2 drops of the essential oil onto it, and you can use a tape to tape on your shirt or use a zip bag to save it, and when you go out and if you want to have a refresh and smell it. The third way is perfect for you when you travel. So all you need is a little plastic bottle with a tight closed lid. Prepare 2 cotton ball, have 10 drops on each of them, and fold them together and put it into the bottle. Your personal essential oil stick is ready. So when you are traveling, take it out and open the lid and do the smell and then close it. So then just save on your in your pocket and use it again when you need a refresh. So in this video I'll show you easy tips to carry the essential oil for your inhalation. The direct ways is more like a personal ways, and the other way is a diffuser, you can do it at home. Thank you for watching. Please leave questions and comments about how you use essential oil and what the essential oil help you. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and see you next time.